Almost 6 years ago, I received a call from Cantor Louise Treitman, who told me that Temple Sinai was looking for somebody to lead the choir and occasional Friday night services. She told me that she'd already talked it over with Cantor Klepper, and they both thought that I might be a good fit. She then went on to say that if she didn't already have a job, and if she weren't trying to work towards her retirement, she would jump on this in a second because, and I quote, "You have the best rabbi ever." Of course she was right, but what she neglected to mention was the deep engagement of all of the congregants on such a diverse level. There is truly something for everybody here at Temple Sinai, whether it's singing in the choir, reading a book by your favorite Jewish author, or praying here on a Saturday morning. I was blown away by seeing 30 congregants on Sukkot morning and Shmini Atzeret Simchat Torah morning. I'm so grateful to be a part of this community.